you're having some issues finding that your middle spray arm's not being driven well, it's a good chance it may be the supply tube that's giving you the problem. We're going to show you how to change that. No tools are required, so let's fix it. So our first step will be to open our door, slide our rack out, remove our silverware basket, bring the rack right out to its fullest, and then we're just going to release the spray arm, and just in a counterclockwise turn, and it just drops off, and we'll set it down. Okay, so now all we're going to do is place our thumb up on this latch point, and our other thumb on the front, and we're going to apply a little bit of pressure on that tab and push towards the back of the dishwasher, and that releases it, and drop it down out of the way to put the new one in. Just reverse the process, bring our new one up into place, and just snap it onto the rack. So we'll just bring our spray arm up, a counterclockwise rotation, lock the spray arm in place. Now we'll just take our silverware basket, put it back into place, slide our rack back in, close the door, and your repair is complete.